Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to see the second lesson in the computer, that is the computer and its parts. See, look at this. In this lesson we are going to see about a CPU, input device, output device and UPS. So see this picture. What this picture shows about? This picture shows about the parts of our body. See, this is your head, this is your nose, this is your hand, this is your leg, this is foot, this is hands, here eyes. Okay, when we look at the picture, these all are the parts of our body. Similarly, our computer also having a many parts. The main parts of a computer are monitor, this is a monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. Okay, these all are the main parts of a computer. I'll repeat, this is a monitor, this is keyboard, this is mouse, this is CPU and this is a speaker. This is the main parts of a computer. First I will say about the CPU. What is the CPU? Our brain, in our body, our brain stores all the information. Like the computer, in computer CPU stores all the information. So CPU is called the brain of the computer. See, what is CPU? Central Processing Unit. CPU. Central Processing Unit. So the CPU controls all the work of the computer. So it is called the brain of the computer. Okay. Next we are going to see about the input device. What is the input device? First, input device is the device which is used to give input to the computer. Through this input device we are going to give the input into the computer. So in this lesson we are going to see about two main input device. One is a keyboard and another one is a mouse. What is a keyboard? Yes, this keyboard looks like a old typewriting machine. Okay, so it is a typing device. Keyboard is called a typing device and it is used to type the letters, numbers using these keys. Okay, the key. Next, this is a mouse. Look at this picture. This mouse looks like our real mouse in our house. So this is called a mouse. See here, this looks like a tail and this is like a body of the mouse. So this computer mouse looks like a real mouse. This is a clicking device. See, keyboard is a typing device, mouse is a clicking device. Using this mouse we can point to the objects on the computer and then we can draw and paint on a computer. Okay, next we are going to see about a scanner. Scanner is also one of the main input device. Using this scanner we can input a text or a paper into the computer through this scanning machine. Okay, and then another one more input device also is there, that is a microphone. Using this microphone we can input a sound into the computer. Okay, I told about you 4 input device: keyboard, mouse, microphone and a scanner. Next we are going to see about the output device. See, output device, one is a monitor and a printer and then speaker. These are the 3 main output device. Okay, what is output device? Output device is the device, it is used to show the results from the computer. Through the input device we are giving input into the computer. Through the output device we are getting the results from the computer. First let's see about a monitor. See, this monitor screen looks like our TV screen. Okay, monitor screen looks like a TV screen. This monitor is used to display the output from the computer. So whatever work the computer did, the results is displayed through this monitor. Okay, next this is a printer. So scanner is used to convert a paper information into the computer. This printer is used to take the printout from the computer. The information typed in the computer is taken out through the papers using this printer machine. The printout taken out from the printer is called a hard copy. What is that? Hard copy. The printout from the printer is called a hard copy. Next, this printer print whatever is displayed on the monitor. Okay, the printout may be in the black and white or in the color printout. Next, we are going to see about speakers. Speakers are used to, you know very well about the speakers because you always listen the song and be playing video games in the computer. So this is a speaker. Using this speaker we can listen to the songs, we can hear the sounds while we are playing in the computer. So it is one of the main output device. Next, UPS. What is this UPS? UPS means uninterrupted power supply. I repeat, UPS means uninterrupted power supply. What is the use of this UPS? This UPS is used when the power cut occurs. The system cannot switch on when we connected to the UPS. Okay, in your house you may also have the UPS or inverter. No, I think so. Okay, UPS, using this UPS we can avoid the power cut and CPU problems. Okay children, in this lesson we saw about the CPU first, a processing device CPU, and then a input device keyboard, mouse, one more input device microphone and a scanner, and then output device monitor, printer and a speaker. See, UPS is one of the main device of your computer. See, I will tell you the examples. I am used to type the letters. Who am I? Which is a typing device children? I told you now only. I am used to type a letters. Yes, very good. It is a keyboard. I look like an animal. Which parts of your computer looks like an animal? Mouse. Yes, this mouse looks like a real mouse. So this is looks like an animal. I can show you everything. Who am I? I am a monitor because whatever the works done on your computer is displayed only through this monitor. I can give out sound. Who am I? Yes, I am a speaker. I can give out the sound from the computer. Okay children, go through the lesson. Have a nice day.